equals your Acer N19H2 won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The problem could be due to a faulty power supply or an internal hardware issue that needs attention. Our technicians will inspect and replace any damaged components, ensuring your Acer N19H2 is back to working condition. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.